Hello guys, in this video we will be discussing about what are the data types in C++. So what are the data types in C++? The containers in which we can store our data are called the data types. There are different types of data types like integer, float, character, string. We will discuss in this video. So let me just first make a new file to.cpp. So I have made a new file and let me just write the basic body of C++. So hash include iostream. This is the syntax of including a header file using namespace std int main. This is the main function, and return 0. Any integer function will return always a value, whether it is 0 or anything else. So what are the data types? Let me first introduce you to the integers. Any number from 0 to 1 or it can be negative, but it should not be a decimal number. So any number is called the integers. How we can create a integer? We just need to write int, and now we have to name that integer. You can name anything, a, b, c, d. You can name anything, but it should not start with any numeric value like 1a is not valid. You can see here a red mark is coming, so this is not valid. So you can write a1 or a2 or a3. You can type these types of value a1, a2, a3, or you can also type b1, b2, b3. This is all you can how you can create any integer. Now how to pass integer a value? So just you need to write a1, or let me just say a is equal to 25. Now what do you think when we print this statement? cout a semicolon at the end is very necessary. So when I will run this video, you can see here 25 is coming. So this is how we can create any integer. Now how you can create a float? Float are the values which contain decimal. This is similar to integer, but it also contains decimals in it. Like you can create float float b is equal to 25.5. Now when you will print it cout b, then you can see 25.5 is coming. So if you need to print it in a next line, so you have to add endl in it. Endl means printing to the next line. So you can see here 25.5 is coming. Now what are the character? Character are anything on the keyboard. It can be at sign or exclamatory sign or hash. It can be any alphabet or it can be any number, but it should be in one type only. Like if there's alphabet, then it should be J, K, L, M. Only a single alphabet should be there. If it is a number, then only a single number should be there. If it is a character, then only single character should be there. How you can create it? So you just need to write char. Char is the abbreviation of character. Char c is equal to you just need to type single inverted comma and then type anything in it. Like I will create char t cout c. don't forget to type and L. So you can see here T is coming. When I will write more than single character, then you can see there is an error coming, so it is not valid. So you just you can also type any sign in it, like I have now I'm going to print the percentage sign in it. So you can see percentage sign is coming. Now we will be discussing about the third data type, which is bool. Bool are the true or false value. This much is only in bool. So whether it can be only a true or it can be a false. So how we can create it? Like BOOL, bool. Bool V is equal to TRUE, true. For true in programming language there is 1 assigned, and for false there is 0 assigned. When we print V, then we are going to print the value 1, and when we are printing false, then we are going to print the value 0. So cout V and L. So you can see here 1 is coming for the true value of the bool. So these are all the types of data types, and there is also data type like double. Double is used for calculating the more accurate decimal value. You can calculate decimal value in float also, but if you are using double, then you can create more accurate value. How you can create it? So you just need to type DOU double D is equal to, this can be 2.3597, this can be anything, and cout D and L. Just run it and you can see my value